Now we shall discuss case study on critical thinking and problem solving integration in the defense industry. Overview: the defense industry is characterized by complex challenges, high stakes, and rapidly evolving environment. Critical thinking and problem solving are essential skills for organizations in this sector to ensure national security, technological superiority, and operational effectiveness. This case study explores how the integration of critical thinking and problem solving has played a key role in the Indian defense sector to tackle challenges related to security, technological advancements, and the operation efficiencies. Industry context. So, the defense industry is responsible for providing military services, equipment, and technologies to protect national security. In India, the defense sector is an integral part of economy and operates with a unique set of challenges, including geopolitical issues, resource constraints, and technological gaps. Challenges faced by the Indian defense sector are: first is the geopolitical instability. The Indian defense sector must continuously adapt to the changing global power dynamics, including border security issues and regional conflicts. Second one is technological advancements. Keeping up with the global innovations in military technology such as artificial intelligence, warfare, drones, and advanced weaponry. Third one is budget constraints. So, balancing the need for cutting edge technologies with limited defense budget. Fourth one is supply chain and logistics, ensuring that the defense equipment and services are delivered on time and meet operational standards, especially in the remote and hostile terrains. Problem solving and critical thinking in the India. Defense sector, case 1 includes the development of the Tejas Light Combat Aircraft, that is the LCA. The challenge was India's reliance on foreign suppliers for military aircraft was a significant vulnerability, especially in the time of geopolitical tension. The Indian Air Force sought domestically produced fighters, aircraft that could match international standards. However, India faced technological, financial, and operational constraints in developing such an aircraft. Critical thinking approach, strategic decision making. So, the Indian government, through the Defense Research and Development Organization, that is a DRDO, engaged in the critical thinking by reassessing priorities for indigenous defense projects. They decided to focus on self reliance in defense production as a long term goal, leading to a decision to develop the LCA Tejas. Innovative problem solving. The DRDO faced multiple setbacks, such as issues with the engine designing, aerodynamics, and manufacturing capabilities. They employed problem solving strategies like the collaborative partnership with the private companies and the Indian Air Force, and testing and iterative improvements. And the outcome was the Tejas LCA was finally inducted into the Indian Air Force, becoming the first indigenous fighter aircraft to be developed and produced in India. The project showcased how critical thinking and problem solving were essential for overcoming technological, operational, and financial challenges. Case 2 is of India's response to the 2016 surgical strike. The challenge was in September 2016, following a terrorist attack on an Indian military base in Uri, Kashmir, India's government decided to carry out surgical strike against the militant launch pads across the line of control. The highly sensitive and urgent operation required careful planning, flawless execution, and an effective response to ensure success and minimize civilian casualties. And the critical thinking approach was strategic analysis. Critical thinking was applied by analyzing the situation from multiple perspectives, that is, the geopolitical, operational, and intelligence. Decision making makers evaluated the need for secrecy, minimizing escalation and ensuring maximum strategic impact. Operational problem solving. The Indian military employed problem solving tactics to ensure that the strikes were conducted swiftly and with precision. They used intelligence gathering, advanced technology, and coordinated military units to execute the strikes without altering the enemy premature. Post strike assessment. The operation was analyzed with an emphasis on learning and adapting for future missions. The military gathered insights on response time, equipment, efficiency, and interagency coordination to continuously refine strategies for the future mission. And the outcome was the surgical strikes were carried out with high precision, and their success demonstrated the importance of critical thinking and problem solving in the military operation. The operation not only achieved its immediate goal, but also boosted the morale of the Indian armed force and conveyed India's resolve to combat terrorism. Case 3 is the making of India's INS Vikrant aircraft carrier challenge. The Indian Navy's quest for an indigenous aircraft carrier was a complex and multifaceted project. It required a blend of advanced shipbuilding technologies, military requirements, and budget constraints. Moreover, India had never before constructed an aircraft carrier of such magnitude. Critical thinking approach, cross disciplinary problem solving. So, the project required collaboration between different defense sectors including the Navy, DRDO, and the Indian shipyards. By integrating experts from multiple disciplines, they were able to solve the challenges related to ship design, propulsion system, and flight deck operations. The innovative design and materials. Engineers and military strategists used critical thinking to adapt design that incorporated the cutting edge technologies and durable materials. They also worked on creating a vessel that could carry a wide range of aircraft in diverse maritime environments. Simulation and testing. Before final construction, advanced simulations and testing prototypes were used to identify potential challenges and solve them at an early stage. And the outcome was INS Vikrant was launched in 2021 as India's first indigenous aircraft carrier, a symbol of India's growing defense capabilities and technological advancements. This project demonstrated how critical thinking and problem solving integration can tackle multiple dimensional challenges in defense innovation. Lesson learned was first is collaborative approach. The integration of diverse skill sets across disciplines such as engineering, intelligence, and military strategy is vital for effective problem solving in complex defense scenarios. Secondly, the iterative testing. So, continuously assessing and refinement of plans, designs, or strategies ensures that critical thinking leads to actionable results and improvements over the time. Third one is adaptability, the ability to adapt to changing conditions, whether in technology, geopolitics, or operations, is essential for successful problem solving in the defense. Fourth is long term strategy and immediate action. In the defense sector, combining strategic foresight with tactical execution ensures that complex operations are both effective and sustainable. In conclusion, the integration of critical thinking and problem solving in the defense sector plays a pivotal role in tackling strategic, technological, and operational challenges, whether in military operations, technological innovations, or strategic defense planning. Applying these skills ensures success in mission execution, enhanced national security, and long term defense capabilities. By fostering a culture of critical analysis, collaboration, and adaptive problem solving, the defense sector can continue to strengthen its capabilities in a rapidly evolving global environment.